Hi guys, welcome back to Westvale Community Garden. We're going to talk a little bit about healthy soils today, which is really important because you need a good base to start your gardening projects off. So my recipe for healthy soil is 1 bag of organic compost per square metre, 1 bag of aged cow manure. It has to be dry and aged so that we're not taking any chance with drenching chemicals being in the fresh manure. We need to add to that a half a cup of dolomite lime and 2 tablespoons of pot ash. We are going to sprinkle some blood and bone, 3 really good handfuls onto that. We are going to rake all that in per square metre, of course, and then we're going to water it in and let it sit for a couple of days. Then we're ready to do some planting. Hi guys, we are at Westvale Community Garden at plot number 16, which is the lovely Pasquale.
Thank you very much. Yes.
Pasquale, can you tell me how you got started here at Westvale?
I started about 35 years ago.
Yep.
With a person the name calls Peppino Squadrito or Giuseppe Squadrito. He said to me, just come around, there's another plot there and there if you want to get it. And I said, okay. I said, I come so we can plant what we need, you know, veggies, lettuce, broccoli, onions, broad beans, garlic, and that's everything is good for the home. Rape, you know, you can cook them, you can boil them, you can have a salad, like tomato, cucumbers, and summertime.
Nice.
And that's it. From then on, I've been here since then. This is 35 years ago. Since then, I enjoy coming here.
Yeah, you love it. Do you bring the grandkids as well, yes?
Sometimes I do. Sometimes if they want to come, I bring it here. Mostly in summertime. It's not in winter time. This is a little bit cold. And they enjoy watering.
Yep.
And that's it. You know, that's life.
It's good.
It's good because if you do something in your garden, it's no chemicals, it's nothing. Just net with water and a bit of shit manure.
That's it. That's it.
That's all you need.
That's it.
You don't need to go and buy a lot of stuff from people. Then it gets you a lot of money. Just to come and buy a trailer of manure, put in your ground. It doesn't matter if it's horse manure or chicken manure.
That's it.
Chicken manure, you can put it in, how do you say, winter time.
Yes.
Don't put it in summertime because it's going to burn everything.
That's it.
It's too hot. But horse manure, you can put it any time you want.
So I want you to tell me and to tell our gardeners out there what you got in at the moment.
Okay, at the moment I got peas.
Yep.
They start to grow peas. I put this because they're going to grow.
Yes.
They're going to crawl up. All right?
Beautiful.
Yeah. This is a type of salads. I don't know. It's not chicory. It's something else that George plants a lot of there. All right? And then you can heat this as a boil with oil and salt. Boil.
Yes.
Or you can have as a salad too. It's a little bit bitter.
Bitter?
Right.
Do you think it would be in line with a bit of the silver beet and speeches and stuff? So in that family?
So you can boil this one. You can mix together.
Nice.
Then I got broccoli.
Yep.
All right. This they call Calabrian broccoli, but this is like broccolini. That's a little one, but then they spread.
Yep.
And then you can eat your broccoli on the side.
Okay.
All right.
So like
that's
the little broccoli.
So I got all this.
Yep. What about this one?
This calls, that's another one is Calabrian rape.
Yes.
It's a rape.
Yeah.
All right. This one here you boil.
Yeah.
Boil, salt, pepper, oil, and you can eat all night. I can eat all that.
Beautiful.
I got this and I got that the same.
Yes.
That the same. Now that's onions.
Nice.
These onions, they're not spring onions. They're for some onions. They get bigger.
So white is
red onion.
Red. Okay.
It's all this. They are red. I got some auto planted. That's why a little bit more, a bit more spice.
Yes.
They call them tropea onions. They're long ones. Red but long.
Wow.
This is round. This is round, but I got the other one. I'm gonna put them up next week. I haven't got time now.
Nice.
It's onions.
All right, so we've got a bit of space, and then what do we got up here?
Here I got broad beans.
Yum.
All this what I got here,
Yes.
it's for winter.
Yeah, our winter veg. Yep.
All that is come to summer.
Yes.
But all raw beans, peas, broccoli, rape,
Yep.
oats, that's all with garlic.
Yep.
I got garlic too.
Nice.
That's garlic in there, and I got this. That's mostly for winter time.
Yes. So this will take you through, Pasquale, to when? When do you reckon?
This,
Yep.
it takes 3 months before you can pick it. It might
Yep.
a little bit more.
Yep.
It's anything takes about 3 months
Yes.
or 10 weeks, what it is.
Yep.
You know, that one they pick it up in summertime.
Yes.
That one they about October, November.
Yes, with the garlic.
The garlic,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
It's the same with the onions, but
Yep.
this one here about 10, 12 weeks. It should start eating.
So there isn't anything more special than picking fresh and going home and eating.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
You can't beat it, can you?
You can't beat it. You can't go to go to the market.
No.
It's the people who comes from the farm.
Yes.
And the farm to survive.
Okay.
Okay.
Pasquale.
Yeah.
I know that coming to the garden is good for our bodies and our minds and everything, but can you just tell me what it means to you to get out and to come here?
Yes, it means a lot because inside the house is a different story of what you can make. You got great children at home, you can play with them, sit down, take it outside now and then. But when I come here, all that goes away. So
Yes.
I come here, I come to the garden, I look at the garden. If I have to do something, I put some water,
Yep.
just go around, check everything if it's fine, and that's it. And your mind is different mind.
Yes.
Then you can relax, and you go home.
Different frame of mind because you've had a bit of a rest, yeah?
With the having a rest and come
Yeah,
here
it's
and
good.
working a little bit, clean it up if you need to clean it up,
Yep.
and put a bit of water, and make sure not put a lot of water like water with boiling. Just put a water the way you need.
That's it. Don't be a wally with water.
Don't be a wall with water. No,
Don't-
just do this like this because this is not good for watering.
No.
You put it there
That's
and
it.
look where you do it.
That's it. Okay, the other thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about today is that gardening shouldn't be expensive and it shouldn't be hard. It's great to get out into our gardens, and even if we only have a small space at home, that sun or the rain, getting out there amongst it and getting our hands dirty does make us feel good. It's good for the soul, good for the mind, good for the body. So don't think that it has to be hard. We can garden or plant things in any containers as long as there's a little bit of drainage for the water to come through. So if you've got old tyres lying around, get them into the garden, build a small garden bed, fill it with that recipe for healthy soil that I gave you before, and start planting. It's all about having a go. It shouldn't be hard. In this environment that we're in at the moment with COVID, we need to give these things a shot. So if you've got a small balcony or courtyard or something at home, don't be scared to give it a go. Try something, try an old pot, try the tyres, try if you've got enough room and you've got an old bathtub or old containers lying around. Give it a go. Start off with lettuce, radish, easy things to grow. You won't know yourself once you taste that difference with literally picking fresh from the garden and serving it on the table. It's fantastic.